your daily montage videos. These curious kangaroos gather together. This dog is deaf and loves fireworks. This is a wishing tree. People hammer coins in hopes that their wish comes true. This person thought the dog had been hit by a car. Turns out he was just sleeping. Funny dog.
¿Todo bien? Ah, listo. Chao, ¿estás chao? ¿Estás bien, loco?
The owl can't believe it when the owner cut all their hair off. If you liked these clips, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video.